meetings. I still remember the day when we conducted our 100th meeting. It's not simple, and thanks for this idea to connect all the ex-members again. Being a part of Tech Mahindra Toastmasters Hyderabad was an amazing journey. I had learnings for lifetime, and Toastmasters has been a platform for me to learn and grow personally and professionally. I personally would like to thank all the members who inspired me in this journey. Our own president, Ramya, Hanu, Akbar, Deepak, Uday, Satish, Chaitanya, our boss, Vikram sir.
It feels like yesterday that we had the demo meeting at Tech Mahindra to go ahead and charter off a new Toastmasters Club. And look at it, Tech Mahindra Toastmasters Club is already celebrating the 300th event. It fills me with a sense of pride to know that I have been a part of this club who has produced some amazing leaders, speakers, has conducted some Hatke meetings like no other, and has ensured that the spirit of Toastmasters has been alive. One key takeaway that I've had from this club is if you really put your heads down, you can create wonders. And the Hatke meeting is the best example of it.
A key takeaway for me from Toastmasters is definitely confidence and a sense of community and a family-like feeling of all the Toastmasters. I wish the club and all of you very good luck and more and more success.
Biggest takeaway of me from Toastmasters is Toastmasters taking away my fear of public speaking and giving me some confidence, some courage to enhance my communication and leadership skills. And I assure you, this Toastmaster platform will help you to perform better in various walks of life.
The biggest takeaway from club, I would say that after moving from India to Canada, I didn't had any challenges in speaking to people around me. I believe that it was possible because I was part in Tech Mahindra Toastmasters Club, where I met talented speakers who has inspired me and motivated me a lot.
The biggest takeaway I had from Toastmasters is to stay resilient during tough times, which I've never practiced before, and just started implementing in my personal life and professional life as well.
Apart from the learnings and overcoming the stage fright, which any Toastmasters club can provide, Tech Mahindra Toastmasters Club has helped me to get friends who are like family, who has supported me and nudged me to become a better person. And the only message I have is my heartfelt gratefulness to the club and everyone who has been part of it.
Tech Mahindra Toastmasters Club has been very special in my heart. It has not only provided me with the opportunity to learn and grow, but it has also provided me with the long cherished memories. The memories that I take back to the days when I was with Tech Mahindra. Memories of my friends in Bangalore. It's a memory that I will cherish forever. So friends, take this opportunity to create long-standing memories.
About my 5 takeaways from Tech Toastmasters journey. T for team spirit, E for excellence, C for commitment, H for humility, and M for magic. Lumos Tech.
Congratulations to Tech Mahindra Toastmasters on celebrations of meeting number 300. Meeting number 300 talks about the diligence, the commitment and persistence of the members of the Toastmasters Club. That wouldn't have been possible without the support of the executive committee, who's been the backbone of the club and ensured that the club is being tabled in every area, division and district level event in the Toastmasters fraternity. I'm so proud to be part of the Hyderabad Tech Toastmasters Club. The awards and the accolades that the members of this club have won in Toastmasters fraternity is outstanding. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the mentors and the coaches of the club and the leaders at Tech Mahindra who have been supportive of this initiative. Congratulations again.